you do.
Yeah.
So, tell me more about the drawing.
I'll tell you about the airplane. What the airplane has. It has some roses and flowers, and it has some lotion in case your cheeks start to get red. Then you find lotion. There's lotion in my airplane, or you could use Lodi. There's Lodi in my airplane. They didn't put my stuff away in my airplane. They didn't.
They
You
did
know
it?
that?
Oh, you've got a messy airplane?
It's not messy.
Oh.
It is full.
Oh, it's just full. Yeah.
They have boats. Or there's baskets in my airplane. Or there's candles in my airplane. There's some presents in my airplane too.
Oh,
And
that
there's
sounds
paper
so nice.
in it. And that's all.
What kind of drinks are you serving on your airplane?
Tea, wine, juice, water, milk, and wine.
Oh, great. That is a full-service airplane.
Yeah,
You are high class. That's very nice of you.
I talk about what airplane I talk about the airplane and see what I have that I'm sharing for what I have for to use to play in my airplane while it flies.
Oh, while it flies?
Where is it flying to?
It flies to Stansbury and Sainsbury's.
Oh, and Sainsbury's. That's convenient.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Or you could use my little car to get my little airplane car.
Oh, really?
It's an airplane car.
Oh, that is cool. So it can be an airplane and a car?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Do you know what color it is?
What? Pink?
No. Purple.
Woo! A purple airplane car.
Yeah. You know what color's the door?
What?
Pink door.
Oh, cool.
Do you know what color the seats are in the little airplane car?
Green?
No, not green.
What?
Pink.
Pink. Oh.
Pink seats.
Great.
So there's